schools in those areas were using pond water for cooking their midday meal. So that was basically a stimulus for all of us to work on this project and give all the people of Kulti clean and safe drinking water. Now, I want to go to the background of Asansol Municipal Corporation. Asansol Municipal Corporation is the largest municipal corporation in West Bengal in terms of area and second largest in terms of population. This Kulti area, where we have planned this project, was a separate municipality. It was added to the Asansol Municipal Corporation in 2015. This Kulti water project, this Kulti area is an urban agglomeration where there is a presence of Eastern Coal Limited, Damodar Valley Corporation, Steel Authority of India Limited, roads of National Highway authorities traverse that area. So it's a huge agglomeration with different gravity centers and highly congested settlements. If you see the agroclimatic condition of Asansol, it is a dry and semi-dry area where the water stress is usually prevalent throughout the year. More importantly, we are having two important rivers traversing this area, Asansol Municipal Corporation. One is Damodar and another is Ajay. This project, the feeder source river channel is Damodar, which is a fast flowing river, tributary of river Ganga. From operational point of view, this project was divided into three components. One was pre-takeoff stage, then takeoff stage, completion of the project, and outcomes. Now, when we start with the preparation for the takeoff stage, this was the most challenging phase for execution of this project. The major challenges which I want to share, first, legacy issue. This project was conceived twice before, in 2009, in 2011, but it couldn't take off. In fact, procurement processes were done, funds were allotted. Because of the poor planning, the project could not take off. So that was a legacy issue. There were apprehensions in the mind whether we will be able to take up this project or not. Then this area is a very congested area. We are having the presence of Eastern Coal Limited, Damodar Valley Corporation, Steel Authority of India Limited there. National Highway traverses that area. So getting the NOCs from all these authorities was also a big challenge. Also, seasonality is a very important factor in such type of water projects, because when to start the riverbed works, when to start the downstream works, that was a big challenge. So these were the challenges, major challenges, which we identified initially before executing the project. Now, interventions done before the execution of this project. We made the charter of activities. Every activity was clearly defined with defined timelines. All the components of this project were divided, and each component was deliberated. Brainstorming sessions were done so that we can identify such works which can be clubbed together. We can identify such works which are consequential of each other. We can identify such works which are standalone works, so that we can complete this project on time. Thankfully, we did it, and we did it before time. We also used modern technology like structural analysis and design software applications were used. Reinforcement, concrete design and calculation softwares were used. Open flow water jams for water distribution analysis and design software were used. Basically, these softwares enable us to make intelligent decisions, how to lay pipelines, what is the design, what should be the design, how it will unfold gradually once we execute the project. Then we also made preemptive approaches to different authorities. We have to seek NOCs from the railways for jack pushing. We have to seek NOCs from ECL. We have to seek NOCs from National Highway Authority of India for executing this project. So we also approach it beforehand so that there is no unnecessary delay of the project. Also, there were certain areas where we have to build overhead reservoirs, where we have to build ground level reservoirs, where there was an unauthorized encroachment. So beforehand, we had discussion with all the stakeholders there. We had brought a public confidence that this project is for them, and amicably we settled most of the issues beforehand. Now, before going to the takeoff stage, I want to share the components associated with this project. We are having 2 infiltration galleries in this project. This was the most challenging task for all of us because these infiltration galleries have been constructed beneath the river channel of Damodar. It's a very fast flowing river. So we have to also consider the seasonality, the rainfall pattern, and also we have to divert some water channel so that these infiltration galleries can be completed in time. We have 4 ground level reservoirs. We are having 80 number of overhead reservoirs. Here I want to put one point that our command area is based on the presence of overhead reservoirs, OHRs. So how much population, how many people will get benefited out of the OHR, that has been clearly delineated. In fact, we have put a projection population of 2030. What will be the population in 2030, 2048? They will get benefited of this project without any further intervention. We have laid the pipeline of around 454 kilometers. We laid the rising main pipeline of around 61.07 kilometers. This was also a very challenging task because we have to cut the roads, we have to operate during the evening time, we have to operate sometimes during the night for executing and laying down these pipelines. Next. Now, during the takeoff stage, we completed all the tendering formalities, issue work orders before time. My approach and my team's approach was to go in the field. Component wise, we used to take the review. More than 200 to 250 meetings were done in the field so that all these works in a panoramic way are connected together so that at the end of the day, we just cut unnecessary time delays. And finally, I think that was the most critical factor in executing this project. We had to also give household connections. So beforehand, we organized camps where people used to come, file their application, documents for getting the water connections. So we didn't wait for the completion of the project. We started it beforehand so that we can have a database. We also decided in the Board of Councillors meeting that for schools, for urban primary health centers, for poor people, we will give free connections. And as of now, we have been able to give those connections as well. Now, outcomes of this project. For me, the most important and critical outcome of this project is to give water to 3 lakh people who were deprived of this basic service. We completed this project before time, in fact, 8 months before what was scheduled in the DPR. In fact, we got an appreciation from the Honorable Chief Minister Government of West Bengal, who inaugurated this project last year. The design and the software technology which were used for executing this project allowed us to save around 30 to 40% of the time. We also used energy efficient technology for electromechanical part. For example, using highly efficient water pumps, using better electromechanical components allowed us to save the electric consumption. This project can be replicated. We are replicating the same project in other wards of Asansol Municipal Corporation, especially Raniganj and Jamuria. They are the added municipalities with the Asansol Municipal Corporation, and that is successfully unfolding. This project was also appreciated by Bentley USA for design of this project. I'm sharing some of the snapshots of this project. Also, I would like to share 1-minute video of this project. This is my presentation. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity.
Sir, can we move on to the questions first, because we have only 15 minutes per presenter, right? So in the last, if the time allows, we can just play the video again.
Yeah, okay. I want to share. That's a 1-minute video. I can share that video after the question and answer session.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you, sir. So moving on to the judges.
शर्मा जी आप पूछिए.
यस खुर्शीद जी, आपका
जी,
प्रोजेक्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है और आपने 8 महीने पहले भी इसको कंप्लीट किया है, लेकिन लेकिन इसके 2 पहले भी अटेम्प्ट हो चुके हैं जैसा आपने बताया, लेकिन ये प्रोजेक्ट टेक ऑफ नहीं हो सका है।
जी सर।
और
सर,
मैं समझ
सर-
सकता हूँ कि इसमें बहुत सारी आपको क्लियरेंसेस लेनी पड़ी होंगी, जिसकी वजह से शायद ये टेक ऑफ नहीं हो पाया पहले भी।
सर आई जस्ट वांट टू इंटरप्ट हियर सर। उस टाइम ये जो कुल्टी था ये सेपरेट म्युनिसिपैलिटी था सर। इट वाज नॉट बेसिकली द पार्ट ऑफ आसनसोल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन सर। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट सर जो टेक ऑफ नहीं हो पाए सर, ये हुए थे इन 2009 एंड 2011 सर। So at that point of time, sir, Kulti was a separate municipalities. There were separate officers, separate political setup at that point of time, sir. 2015 में सर ये जो कुल्टी जो म्युनिसिपैलिटी है ये ऐड हो गई आसनसोल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के साथ सर। तो जो हमने फेलियर जो स्टडी किया है सर, जो प्लानिंग रहती है सर, वी नीड टू हैव एन एंड टू एंड सोल्यूशन ऑफ एनी प्रोजेक्ट सर। तो इसमें वो एंड टू एंड सोल्यूशन प्लस पैनोरामिक व्यू नहीं था सर। अगर आप सर देखेंगे सर फील्ड में भी सर, जो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट काम था सर वो था कि ओवरऑल डिजाइन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम सर, पहला जो पॉइंट उन्होंने किया था प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ द पाइप्स पहले आई थी, अभी भी पड़ी हुई है सर। देयर इज एन ऑडिट क्वेरी फॉर दैट। सो ये हमारे लिए एक केस स्टडी बना कि व्हाट थिंग्स वी शुड डू एंड व्हाट थिंग्स वी शुड नॉट डू। तो हमने पहले वही नोज सर आइडेंटिफाई की कि कौन कौन सी चीजें हमें नहीं करनी है सर। बिफोर हैंड हम प्रोजेक्ट को आगे बढ़ाए सर, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन ए स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर टू मी टू मॉनिटर एंड सुपरवाइज दिस प्रोजेक्ट सर। हमने पहले ये कहा कि मुझे एंड टू एंड मुझे लास्ट पिक्चर दिखाइए कि हम लोगों को पानी दे रहे हैं। अब डाउन से अप तक मुझे बोलिए कि फीडर कहाँ से है, मींस फीडर सोर्स हमारा दामोदर है, उसकी क्या कैपेसिटी है, कितना हम पानी वहां से ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं। देन जो हमारा सर क्लियरेंसेज हैं सर, हमारा वहां पर सर ईसीएल भी है सर, हमारा वहां पर सर रेलवेज भी है सर, हमारा वहां पर सर डीवीसी भी है सर। अब वहां से एनओसीज लेनी है सर। तो बिफोर हैंड आई अप्रोच टू द अथॉरिटीज एंड थैंकफुली आई हैव गॉट द एनओसीज फ्रॉम ऑल दोस प्लेसेस। तो ये सारी चीजें सर एक क्रिटिकल फैक्टर रही सर इन कंप्लीटिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट सर। इनफैक्ट सर मैं आपको सर एक और पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहता हूं सर। इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमारी सर कॉस्ट सेविंग सर अराउंड 24 करोड़ हुई है सर। वो जो 24 करोड़ हैं सर वो हम और यूज कर रहे हैं सर फॉर ब्रिंगिंग मोर एफिशिएंसी इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट सर।
अच्छा, आपने जैसे 454 किलोमीटर की पाइपलाइन लेड की है, जो
राइट
आप
सर। सर
सभी घरों को सप्लाई करती है,
सर
तो इसका क्या मटेरियल क्या है? मतलब सीपीवीसी है या कौन सा मटेरियल है ये 454 किलोमीटर?
सर हमने सर इसमें डीआई पाइप्स यूज किए हैं सर, डीआई पाइप्स यूज किए हैं सर।
जीआई
राइट
पाइप।
राइट
इनफैक्ट जीआई पाइप ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो थोड़ा इंटरनल कोरोजन की वजह से उनका डायमीटर कम हो जाता है।
सर।
तो एनी हाउ यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम।
सर
थैंक यू
सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच
It's a very good project.
सर।
I just hope you are able to now sustain the thing and
Yes.
keep it under proper maintenance. Because
थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर
चलिए, okay, now let's go to the next project.
सर इसमें सर एक मेरा 1 मिनट ये है वीडियो है सर। इफ यू काइंडली सर गिव अ लुक ऑन दैट सर, जस्ट 1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट है सर।
चलिए।
So we have to share the audio also.
नहीं आ पा रहा है।
So you can do one thing, you can just mail the video to us and
Right, sir.
I'll just play it from my end at the end of the session.
सर राइट सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर
So we can move on to the next presentation, sir.
Sir.
You have 3 presentations today, right?
राइट सर, राइट सर, राइट
Yeah.
सर। Sir, sir, should I start, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, my second presentation is on CCMS based lighting management system, sir.